As you can see, I already struggle getting ready for the day, let alone for Halloween. Out of the question. If you're anything like me, don't worry, I got your back. I rounded up 13 of the easiest Halloween DIY costumes that you could do either today or tomorrow, just in time for Halloween. If you're a Swiftie, sparkly dress, fun coat, fun sunglasses, you're set. Best part about Barbie, you can throw on anything pink, accessorize accordingly, and then boom, you're blank Barbie. Don't worry, to all my Kens, we didn't forget about you. Just throw on a Canadian tuxedo and a little something pink, you're good to go. If you have an extra white sheet laying around, be a boring ghost, or you can be funny and be the ghost of Twitter. If you love neutral tones and wine, just be a coastal grandmother. Perfect. You could also opt for being a classic serial killer. You get a snack and a costume. If you have a printer, boom, costume not found. You can tape it to a black shirt. This one is so easy and cute, especially if you're feeling super nostalgic. A fun little 90s moment. Magic 8 balls, so simple. And you have a built-in bit in case anybody tries asking you any unnecessary questions. There is no excuse for not dressing up. You can just wear a sock. Be Bo Burnham. Better yet, live in your truth with this low battery costume. I'd wear this every day if I could. Go pick up some stickers and put them on your face. It's so cute too. So fun, so simple. Last but not least, and my favorite one, you can just be your favorite color. Halloween does not need to be as stressful as we think it needs to be. Easy, simple, cheap. Make sure to let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite.